Hey guys, I'm Jean and this is the Woodshop Junkies 2022 channel trailer. If you're new to my channel, you're probably wondering what it's all about, and at face value it's a woodworking channel like so many others. But in reality it's a channel dedicated to beginners, hobbyists, people like myself who love creating awesome wooden projects but might be limited on resources like high-end power tools or, more importantly, space. As you guys can see, I work out of my small home-based single garage workshop, and in an effort to maximize my space, I spend a lot of time developing and implementing creative new ways to make the most of my small workshop. To make the most of my small space, my focus became marrying multifunctionality with compact operation, and it has produced some interesting results, such as my all-in-one woodworking workstation, which houses some of my most used woodworking power tools, but was designed with the power tool in mind, to maximize its operation without restricting the operation of any of the other power tools. Tools such as my table saw, miter saw, surface planer, router and a couple more were all comfortably tucked away but ready to be used. Then there is my fold down roof storage to make use of the before wasted space up in my workshop roof. The idea was to store items which don't get used very often that are cluttering up my workspace. I also like developing new and creative ways to store and organize tools and consumables, but with easy, unrestricted access. Like with my on-the-move spray paint storage cabinet. Or my sander, organizer and storage unit. Or my 14 cheap and easy to make shop organizers. Then I like to explore mechanisms that could possibly solve common shop problems, like my vertical gravity clamp or my self-locking cleat. With my project, simplicity and functionality go hand in hand to follow my vision of bringing it into the sphere of ability of the average beginner or hobbyist woodworker. Keeping with that vision, this year I hope to post more videos like my drawed wine rack, which was designed specifically with easy assembly in mind. All of the above mentioned projects, as well as a whole bunch of other ones, are available on this channel, so take a look around. And if you don't want to miss any of my future projects, remember to subscribe. I've got a whole bunch of exciting new projects planned for 2022, so I hope you guys come along for the ride. Until then, however, cheers.